Hi, how are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Are you in yours? Or are you just scrolling on Facey and you found me? One of the things I wanted to talk about today with you guys at home is this perception. I think that's the word. Is that the word, Scott? Scott's behind the camera. The perception of kale. And I am going to say it. I hate kale. But I love kale in other ways than I do in a smoothie.
Tell me more, Sin.
That's the perception, Scott.
Yeah.
So in this industry, I'm going to sit down, in this industry that we're in called the wellness industry, we've been given amazing opportunity to stand in nature and eat plants from nature. And all of a sudden, kale became the flavour of the month, let alone the flavour of the year, actually. It became the flavour of the last 5 to 10 years. And what I noticed in that time was a lot of my girlfriends, a lot of my friends and clients were having smoothies out of kale. And what that meant was a whole bunch of kale, and I'm laughing thinking about it because I just can't think of anything worse. A whole bunch of kale in a blender with a whole lot of bananas and dates and all the isms that go with it, right? And to me, for me, and this is being really honest, and this is one of the things that I teach, this is one of the things that I facilitate, this is the part where I really come to life for you guys at home, is that I cannot handle having kale in a smoothie. I find it like grass clippings. You know when you mow the lawn and you smell that fresh cut grass? That's what it's like to me. It's disgusting. And in an industry that's telling me that I should eat it because it's healthy is really challenging for me as a woman. And for me to cook with it, saying, oh, you're cooking all the vitamins out of it, you know what? I'm going to have to just, say to everybody out there that loves kale in their smoothies, fabulous, because it's not a one-size-fits-all, right? Fantastic. Have your kale in the smoothies. But I'm going to stand up as a woman and say, I freaking hate kale in my smoothies, but I'm going to saute it briefly in a little bit of olive oil, some garlic, some onion and some chili, and I'm going to toss it through my broccoli pasta or something. I'm going to have it like that, or I'm going to cut it up super, super fine and then mix some salt in it and kind of crush it a bit and have a beautiful salad with it. That to me is just so delicious, and I salivate thinking about that. But when I'm told that I need to have kale in my life because it's good for me and having it in a blended shake, I kind of gag at the thought of that. And then, the toxic thoughts happen. My inner critic comes out. And this is one of the things I want to discuss with you next week. And it's a big topic, and it's the inner critic. So I'll see you then. Bye.